Be a meba to aba enye enenkwa emre bi a meba to aba bia me wo famo ne hwa wo onyina ye nkramofo me me Kristo ni odom na ye nkramofo enti e call ndaso na omakobo mpaye. And many of these are my uncles. They believe that at every opportunity, if you are faced with a crisis or you anxious about something, you must pray to your father and your ancestors. And so these are prayers being said for my father. This is my father's grave. And so they're saying prayers for him and asking him to stand behind me in the contest that we're going into today.
And we were told he'll be praying here before moving to the Bole polling station, Bole DA polling station, where he'll be casting his ballot in some minutes. John Mahama has in the past shared fond memories of his father, E.A. Mahama, a former minister of state, a former regional minister for the Northern Region, MP for West Gonja. Interesting fact that he has put out there in the past. Yesterday I was sharing that interesting history of facts that he actually shared about him and then the NPP presidential candidates, Mahmoud Bawumia. He said his father became a regional minister. His father was a northern regional minister. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's father was also a northern regional minister. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's father attended Tamale Secondary School. John Mahama said his father also attended Tamale Secondary School. John Mahama's father was a one-time Northern Regional Minister. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's father was also a one-time Northern Regional Minister. John Mahama in the shot right now with his daughter Farida Mahama. It's a solemn session here. So we're currently here at the family house of NDC presidential candidate John Mahama, and now at the tomb of his father, Emmanuel Adama Mahama, former MP for West Gonja, a former Minister of State. And NDC presidential candidate is here praying before he moves to the polling station to cast his ballot. This is his first spot of call after entering the Bole Bamboy constituency, where he will be casting his ballot. After the prayers, he will be moving there shortly. Still prayers up for Emmanuel Adama Mahama, former MP for West Gonja, John Mahama's father. Let's hear what he's saying now.
Moli iye Mahama abisho kanyine biuru matua nene biuru matua kana ikasini bolena kuma namba ka bembo kam
incoming president.
Security bashi balu mamalga. What I Prominent pena. Guardian! Inshallah. Inshallah. Sama budo da binyana. Non bloqué comme président. Non bloqué comme président. Ya anta busu. Ami tu normal gagné. Hey, make it back. Please, you have to excuse us. Hey, go back. Excuse me.